What's up, internet marketer? It's Ike Paz, and in today's short little video, I'm going to explain to you the difference between search marketing and interruption marketing, and explain how the Pinterest search engine plays into this. It's not a pure search marketing type of platform, and it's not a pure type of interruption marketing type of style. Okay, it's a very unique hybrid, and I'm gonna explain the difference, and you're gonna want to watch this video to the very end, because I'm also going to give you a complete how-to guide on getting traffic, free traffic from Pinterest. So check this out. Okay, so here I am on good old Google, and as you can see at the very top, I have the search term, how to make rye bread. Now, because this is a search engine, it's gonna give me the best possible content, the most relevant content for my search query, how to make rye bread, and it appears as a list. So it's gonna match up my query, my keyword, my long tail keyword, with all of the different results that have my keyword in the headline and in the description. Okay, so Google knows very well, because Google is one of the oldest search engines out there. It knows very well how to serve up content, right? And the same thing goes for paid advertising. If I were to advertise for this search term, it would give me a search result right towards the top here that would, help me. For example, if someone, for example, is advertising how to make rye bread and they're trying to sell maybe their flour or something of that sort, their advertising would appear towards the top, and it'd be up to the person who's advertising to make sure that my search term matches up perfectly with their ad. Okay. Now, Facebook is very different. Okay. So yeah, Facebook has a search bar, but not many people use it. Okay. So people actually use their timeline the most, and their private messenger the most. So when you're advertising, or if you're using Facebook for traffic, your content has to interrupt me, has to stop me, because I'm not actively looking or searching for your content, right? So if I belong to your group, if I belong to your page, if we're friends on Facebook, all these different things that I'm connected to, my pages, the groups I belong to, the friends I'm with, that's gonna fill up my timeline here. Okay. So, for example, here's an advertisement by Thrive Themes. This is a product I use, for example. I don't know why they're advertising to me. I have all of their products actually. But anyways, here's a good example. They have to stop me in their tracks. Now, if you think this is actually going to stop you in your tracks from actually going down your timeline, I would say no. I would say this advertisement is not that good, because it's not really stopping me in my tracks. Okay, but I think they're doing remarketing here, because I've been on their site many times. So because I'm aware of the brand, I am going to stop, and I am going to click through probably if they have something that's enticing to me, right? So when you are not known to your end user, when you're not known to your traffic, okay, if your brand is not known to your traffic, you have to impact them more on Facebook or doing any type of interruption marketing in order to get their attention, and then have them click through. Okay. Now, Pinterest is very interesting in this regard, because Pinterest is a search engine very much like Google is. But at the same time, you have to use interruption marketing like you would on Facebook. Okay, so Pinterest is a search engine. You put in your keyword, it will spit out results. Okay, based on your query, on your search query, right? However, it's not in a list type of form, right? It's like almost like a pin board here, and the pin that has the most appealing image or video is bound to grab your attention, and then you're gonna click on the image, and hopefully, if the marketing message is right and what you want, they have what you want, you're gonna click through onto their page, right? So, for example, if I were to put in how to make rye bread, you're gonna see a bunch of different images here. Now with a video, I don't seem to, there aren't any videos here right now, but with a video, it's bound to grab your attention more because there's movement. Okay, there's movement within the video calling to you, getting your attention, having you click through. Let's say, for example, this is a video, and then I click through to the image, and here, okay, this is a very popular pin, okay, but it'd be more popular if there was video involved because it would get more attention from people searching how to make rye bread. Okay, that's a really important concept. So when it comes to Pinterest, you want to think, of course, you create pins, you create content for a search engine, because Pinterest is a search engine. At the same time, you want to make sure your pin will grab attention. It is kind of a form of interruption marketing. Really important concept to remember, and that's why video pins are so powerful. So if you want to learn how to make a video pin, check out the information below. I'm going to give you a full tutorial at no cost, no opt-in. It's all yours. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Be good. Take care.